located just down the street from Texas A&M San Antonio and Palo Alto College. After your morning run in the park or stroll with friends, we found the perfect spot to grab an iced coffee to beat this summer heat. Today we are visiting with Southbound Coffee owner Adriana Ruiz. Hi guys, it's Leanne with Eat Drink Local Texas, and today we're at Southbound Coffee, and I'm speaking with the owner, Adriana, of Southbound Coffee. Hi Adriana, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
No, thank you for joining. So I just wanted to ask you a few questions about Southbound Coffee. So the first one is, how did you get your idea of Southbound Coffee? Like, what was your inspiration?
Yeah, absolutely. So it was a very impulsive idea. I was working two jobs and I had just finished school. So I was just kind of looking for something, I guess you can say like a purpose.
Okay.
I really love coffee, although I don't have any experience in business or coffee. So I impulsively just decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I actually looked on Craigslist, and that's where I found this trailer.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it was just, the perfect size, nothing too crazy. And I painted it pink. I decorated it. It's really just a reflection of my personality.
That's awesome.
Thank you. But yeah, the idea was just to kind of have a neighborhood coffee shop on the south side of San Antonio. Because I feel like there is a lot of potential in the area. I feel like within the next couple of years, it's going to grow tremendously. So I just want to be here and be able to grow with the community.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for that. Our next question is, so what is like the popular drinks that people love to get? Like when you come to Southbound, what is that drink that everyone loves?
Absolutely. So I would say my signature drink is the dirty horchata, which is a homemade horchata syrup. It's got almonds, cinnamon, and sweetened condensed milk. It's really popular iced right now. I mean, probably because it's hot outside.
Yeah, of course, this Texas heat.
But yeah, it's delicious iced. I top it off with a double shot of espresso and then a little bit of cinnamon on top.
That sounds so good. Are there any other items that you want to talk about?
Yeah, another really popular item would probably be the Mexican mocha.
Okay.
So if you're familiar with the Abuelita's Mexican hot chocolate, that's exactly what we put in the coffee.
Okay.
It's with a double shot of espresso. It's got a little bit of cinnamon on top. You can do it iced or hot, but it is a very familiar flavor, so I think that's why people tend to be drawn to it.
Hi guys, I'm back here, and here I am to try two of the most popular drinks here at Southbound Coffee. So here I have the Mexican mocha, and here we have the dirty horchata. So both of them are actually iced because it's a hot summer's day here in San Antonio, Texas. So let's try it out and see what it tastes like. I can't wait. Okay, so this is the Mexican horchata again. It's so good. And it's so good, especially like a day today. Oh my gosh. Wait, I need another sip. Yeah, guys, this one's really good. Okay, so now let's try the dirty horchata. That is so refreshing.
Refreshing, right?
That's really refreshing.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah. No, and I used to drink horchata all the time when I was a kid, so it's just like bringing back memories and everything.
It's one of my favorites.
That's awesome. No, thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it. I'm going to keep drinking these. But is there anything else that you want to say to our viewers at Eat Drink Local Texas?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate everyone's support. The community support has been tremendous, so thank you so much. I do want to say to the viewers, please continue to support local businesses. It helps tremendously, especially in a time like this. Also, stop by. Definitely come grab some coffee, and we're going to be doing some events coming up, so we're going to be doing like a school supplies drive, and hopefully later on in the year maybe do another bigger event once things start to settle down. So thank you.
No, thank you so much. Make sure you follow Southbound Coffee on Instagram or Facebook or wherever else on social media. Thank you so much for joining us today. And also, when you come to Southbound Coffee, make sure you tell them that Eat Drink Local sent y'all.